this ceremony is a short one, and we are trying to actually donate our laydown or site offices to the Frispa Kuru community. Actually, we came here almost 2 years back to do the transmission line for Newmont Ghana Limited. It comprises of 5 offices, toilet facilities, and a big yard for the playground for the children and car park. So this is our goal.
I'm here representing my team to say thank you to CSI Energy Group Ghana for donating this laydown facility through Global Institute of Mines and Safety to the community. And we want to say a very big thank you to the management of CSI for thinking about the community. It has been a good relationship all this while. For the past 2 years, we have lived together in a very harmonious environment.
Asida ye nikabia na mejina wa mine nyina na mu.
Okasa
Na mediama CSI for. Cause na company bia na oba no ye adwuma wia. Obeka se wo gya na ma entese no de ama community no. Amode wadwum mu atum se moso ma be ye kuruba. Enti emfaso a monya no awasa moso mo gya bi makro no. Ba bi so amboko bia so no. Yankopon enhira eni.
Yo, therefore akasa.
Edamasi.
Therefore akasa.